The machine that you see on your screens now is the Hydra MX. This has been designed for UPVC customers. You see from here it cuts at 90 and 40 minus 45 degrees. It does not cut in the intermediate angles. What is remarkable about the machine is the huge cutting depth. So because of this huge cutting depth, you can stack multiple profiles one after the other on this table and cut in one single cut. This way you get higher production, and that makes the Hydra a very highly productive machine. Let's take a look at the technical details. In the MX, the right head will be displaced by the means of a hand wheel. The Hydra CNC will have a motorized movement of the right head. The Hydra comes with standard blade of 500mm diameter and cuts only at 90 and 45 degrees. Weight is 1800 to 1950 kilos. Let's have a look at the optionals. 4 meters, 5 meters, 6 meters, 3 bed sizes available. Power 1000 programmer, label printer optional only if it is a Power 1000. Hydra CNC is a machine with Power 1000. Hydra Digit is a machine with twin label controller. Then we have TCT saw blade 500, which is standard. 530mm TCT saw blade, which is optional. Extended cut modification, trim cut modification, semi-automatic reduced cut modification, V-cut modification for UPVC profiles, spray mist unit, additional vertical pneumatic clamps and packing. And then we have Hydra MX, which is the non-motorized right head movement, and the optionals are the same.